feeling very broke. Wow, I feel very haute couture today because it's so edgy, because of the micro bangs. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Sarah and today I was feeling like getting a haircut, but not the pretty ones. I'm still on the path going to get short hair. Yeah, and because of that I got to hurry because my hair is growing and growing every week a little bit. Yeah, and that's why I decided to cut my hair today like
Lloyd Christmas.
I've made a little illustration. I mean, you guys should remember who this is. It's Jim Carrey in Dumb and Dumber. Yeah, and I actually wanted to try this hairstyle. What are we waiting for? What I am waiting for, actually, what I am waiting for. Let's just start. But before we go on, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. First step, get your hair real wet. Second step, part it in sections. So I parted it this way because I wanted to start this time in the front. I want to cut the microbangs like Larry. I want to start with that and then go on to the back. And as I told you, I'm not a professional, I'm just doing it on my personal logical. Third step is cutting. Fourth step, work your way up section by section. Depends on how thick your hair is. how my hair looks like right now. I need a little bit to get used to this, but I love it. So, in my case, fifth step is shaving. I gotta reshape my undercut. Let's do this. Brown. And this is how I look like right now. I'm feeling very Vogue. Yeah, I mean, as you can see, it didn't turn out like this, but maybe a little bit, at least. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think and let me know what you think. Another week, another haircut for me. It's nothing new, but I actually gotta say that I really enjoy this kind of alien fringe bangs, micro bangs thing. It looks pretty cool, I think. And I actually can't wait to go shorter, because at the moment, now you can see real more of my face, which I really enjoy when I put makeup on. And by the way, I haven't forget your requests about the makeup tutorials. Of course, I haven't forget them. I'm going to plan them in my schedule because I can't wait to share my makeup skills with you. Yeah, I feel super clean, I feel super fresh, I feel like a new person again because of my new haircut. And it's quite amazing to give this feeling to yourself. Yeah, and now it's getting kind of hot in my bathroom and it's time to go actually. But before we end this, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please give me a like if you like my video and click the notification bell. You know why you should click it. Yeah, I thank you so much, guys, for your attention, for following me again and watching me how I'm cutting and styling my own hair. Yeah, that's all. Thank you so much. I wish you again a great week, a great day to you and your family. I love you guys. Thank you.